Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python Arithmetic Operators. So first of all, what are operators in Python? So operators are special symbols which are used to perform operations on values or operands in a program. For example, 10 plus 20. So here 10, 20 are values or operands, whereas plus is a operator. So now coming to arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators, they take two values to perform the operations, and technically they are also called as binary operators. Binary means two. Example, addition a plus b, subtraction a minus b, multiplication a into b, division a by b. So it will give the quotient till remainder is 0, approximately 0. Next, modulo a modulo b, it will give the remainder if dividend is not divisible by divisor. Next, double forward slash, it is called as floor division a, floor division of b. It will give the quotient if dividend is not divisible by divisor. Whereas single division, it will give the quotient till the remainder is 0. So you will get the quotient as float value. Next, double star, which is used as exponent a power of b. So a power b. Right. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. A 11, b 3. A plus b, 11 plus 3, 14. 11 minus 3, 8. 11 into 3, 33. 11 by 3. So 3 point, you will get it as somewhere around 6667. Approximately, remainder is 0. A modulo b. So the remainder is 2. So 3 3s are 9, remainder is 2. If remainder is not divisible, it will give the remainder as modulo. A floor division of b. So if remainder is not divisible, it will give the quotient. So the quotient is 3. 3 3s are 9. Next, 11 power 3. So 11 into 11 into 11. So save this program, come to the command prompt and run it. So Python arithmetic operators example1.py. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division till remainder is 0, it will calculate the quotient 3.666, so on. A modulo b, remainder is 2. If it is not divisible, it will give the remainder. Floor division, if remainder is not divisible, it will give the quotient 3. So 11 power 3, 11 into 11 into 11 is 1331. So this is how we are supposed to work with arithmetic operators or binary operators in Python program. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.